So it's finally time to say bye to the A6000. Hey guys, you are now watching Renait Reborn, the best photography channel on YouTube. So today we are saying bye to my Sony A6000. If you are unaware, the A6000 has now been discontinued by Sony, and I've had this particular camera model for the last 3 years. It was the first camera I actually bought, and I'm gonna be doing a tribute in this video on why I bought this camera and how much I would actually miss it. Here are some images that I took with my Sony A6000 and my main prime lens, the 30mm Sigma 1.4. A lot of people are probably wondering why I chose the Sony A6000 rather than all the other cameras that you can choose from Canon, Nikon, or Fujifilm, or even Pentax. One of the reasons why I joined the Sony A6000 Mafia crew was because of the price point. You get so much for your buck. I initially spent body only, I spent £350, which is probably like $400 for the body only, and then I paired it up with a few manual lenses. Everything I use in my YouTube videos will be down below. It was super cheap to get into, and you get 11 frames per second, a decent great viewfinder, you get a monitor, you get a swivel up screen, super sharp images, you get a fast processor, and overall it's a lightweight setup. I really do not like Canon's weight or Nikon's weighted cameras. One of the other cameras that I did want to buy at the time was a Canon 700D and 650D, and 750D were released at that point, so that will probably give you a bit of a time frame on when I wanted to buy a camera. And then one of my photography mentors, she knows who she is, she was literally using only Sony mirrorless camera. So she had a Sony A6000, a Sony 6500, and she had a Sony A7 II at that time, but she's upgraded to like a Sony A9. So yeah, which is my next upgrade of cameras. So yeah, so she just literally she just coached me through lens choices. And at that time when I bought my camera, there wasn't many Sony lenses at that time. The Sony A7 III wasn't announced, the Sony A7 IV, the Sony A7S III wasn't even announced. It was Sony 3 to 4 years ago was literally it wasn't a brand new company in the DSLR mirrorless world, but they were still trying to push out extra lenses and new camera bodies and stuff. And I feel like personally I joined the Sony gang in a pivotal moment where Sony used to be just dumped on, and now it's a powerhouse. Like every shoot that I go to, whether it's videography or photography, I always see an A7 III. That camera is, oh my gosh. You always see an A7 III or an A9. I will surely miss my A6000. You can still buy an A6000 via Camera Jungle, or you can buy it in a bundle with the kit lens from Sony themselves. The camera is discontinued, which means after this Christmas and January run, you will find it super hard to buy an A6000. So if you are a beginner photographer and you want a camera that shoots amazing 1080p 60, It shoots 11 frames per second. It has all the camera modes and focus points that you ever really need. I would recommend picking up an A6000, especially if you're a hobbyist that wants a strong, interchangeable mirrorless camera, which is super lightweight and compact. I can't say anything more about my A6000. I love my camera and it will always be in my Hall of Fame of cameras. But if you haven't liked or subscribed to this video, please go down to the description box below, like this video, share this video, engage with this video. I'm also doing a giveaway which ends in 2 days. So if you want a chance to win £100, you just go down and everything will be in the link in the description box below. As always, stay safe, stay blessed, peace.
I be struggling, trying to make it out this world. I be juggling, trying to find my own soul.
Trying to find my soul, bro. I ain't going outside, bro. Got a family, and I still wanna be a bro. Looking at this world, and all I see is hate, bro. Lionel coming at